Welcome to Tech Hunt. Today we're going to look at how to set a ringtone to your iPhone. Now this process, it takes quite some time for your first ringtone to be assigned to your iPhone, but eventually once you get the hang of it, it becomes a very easy process. For that, we have few requirements. That is, we need to have iTunes, iPhone, and then an iPhone cable, right? So first we will connect the iPhone and it gets connected. Then we need iTunes. So usually you can download iTunes from itunes.com. What you can do is you can actually check if it's a 32-bit or a 64-bit program. It's a 64-bit, and download the iTunes from here, right? But since I've already got downloaded, that's all right. So I just open iTunes. Now this is the iTunes library. This is what you have: songs wise, album wise, artist wise, genre wise, right? And then this is your phone. Now this phone has your data, like your backup and everything. What we'll do is, right, we will first put a song. Let's say I'm a big fan of Beethoven. Here's one song. So what we'll do is we will take the original copy of the song. Okay, let's say there it is. Here. Well, you will copy this. We'll paste it here, and we'll do it as Beethoven ringtone. This basically means we are not spoiling or doing anything with the original file. Okay, I hope you are with me on this. So we're done with that, and then we are bringing this file to the iTunes. This is the latest 12 version of iTunes, right, as on date. So we go to the songs, we go file, we go add files to library, we go desktop, Beethoven ringtone. So the ringtone comes here. So we see the time, it's 8:12. We go to the 8:12 and then go to the get info option, song info, and then we go to the option. We select the time which we want the ringtone to be. So I did my research. I want the ringtone to start from first minute of the song till 1:30 of the song. Well, 30 seconds is the usual time period. So now we have told this particular song that only play between that first minute to 1 minute 30 seconds. And once this is done, we're gonna click on the Beethoven's ringtone and then click on file, convert AAC version. So it's converted to, so we removed that 30 seconds off. Now we're gonna remove the 8-minute thing out of the, because we don't need confusion. So we have the 30 seconds clip, right? Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on show in Windows Explorer, and then we're gonna go here and rename the file. It's M4A, we're gonna make it M4R, right? So it's done. Then we go to the device here and tones here, and then we're gonna move the Beethoven's ringtone to here, and this particular ringtone is copied, and if it's there in the tones, voila, it's there. And it's a simple process. It's easily done. You don't have to panic. The only thing you need to be sure is you need to do the convert option from here, and then you need to change it to M4R, and then you need to drop it into the tones folder in the device. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have any questions, do let me know. Have a nice day. Bye bye.